As I was getting ready to shoot today's video, I had a thought to myself, and that was, boy, I hope I'm not wearing the same tie in all these videos. That would be really embarrassing. And if I am, I apologize. Today I want to follow through and follow up a little bit with my theme from my last video, and that is fraud during the litigation process. I read an interesting case coming from the Macomb County Probate Court, Macomb County, Michigan, in which a son sued his mother and the estate of his father, seeking reimbursement for a $100,000 loan he allegedly made his father. Not only did he make the loan to his father for $100,000, but according to the terms of the loan was to have been repaid at the interest rate, I don't recall what it was, 3 or 5%. In support of this promise to pay, the son presented a document, an agreement, that was purportedly created in 2000, which memorialized this promise on the part of his father to repay this loan. The son was very specific. He said the document was created with a specific computer and with a specific printer and a printer model. He said the document was created in 2000. The attorneys representing the mom and the estate of the father were at first a little bit challenged by what they should do with this. However, they made a very fortunate realization that the document had been created using a Calibri 11-point font. They did some research and realized that Calibri 11-point font had not become a default in Microsoft's word processing system until sometime after 2007. The font did not even exist until 2004, and then in 2007, Microsoft issued or published the font, the Calibri 11-point font. As soon as the court realized that the son was lying about this document, the son obviously lost his case. The takeaway, if you're involved in litigated claims, the takeaway for you is to always look at documents with skepticism. Try to get the documents directly from the original source. In other words, if they're medical records, try to get them originally from the original medical providers. Don't rely upon what's being given to you by the claimant. Try to look at the documents carefully for any inconsistencies. Look at the dates, look at the font, and consider whether the document is authentic and make sure it is what it purports to be. The takeaway for claimants or people bringing claims in litigated matters is always tell the truth. Make sure what you're saying is verifiable. Make sure it's the truth. You could have the greatest personal injury case in the world, but as soon as you lie about something, your credibility is undermined and your case value is diminished. So that's my word of wisdom for today. Again, I'm attorney Peter Angelis from the law offices of Alexander & Angelis in the Detroit metropolitan area.